In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the QuickBooks Online or Desktop Create button for basic transactions and entries. Once you've signed in to QuickBooks Online or opened QuickBooks Desktop, look for the Create button, often shown as a plus symbol at the top of the screen. In Desktop, you'll use the equivalent command from the Create or Home window. This is your hub for entering everyday activity, and the forms all follow a consistent pattern. Open the form, enter the details, then save. Start by adding a customer. Choose Add Customer and enter key details like the customer's name, billing address, and email. Getting this right up front makes invoicing and reporting much smoother later. Next, create an invoice. Click Invoice, pick your customer, and fill in the items, quantities, rates, and amounts. Check the dates and terms so they reflect when work was done and when payment is due. When you're ready, click Save and Send to email it, or Save and Close if you're not sending it yet. When the customer pays, record it using Receive Payment. Select the customer, choose the open invoice to apply the payment to, confirm the payment method and amount, and then click Save and Close. This step keeps your accounts receivable accurate and ensures the invoice is marked as paid. If you're paid on the spot, use a sales receipt instead. Click Sales Receipt. Enter the customer and the items sold. Confirm the total and payment method, and save and close. Sales receipts are perfect for point-of-sale or immediate payments. To record money going out, click Expense. Select the supplier, pick the correct category for the purchase, enter the amount, and save and close. Using the right category helps you track spending by account for cleaner reports. If you wrote a paper check, choose Check. Enter the payee, date, amount, and memo if needed, then save and close. This keeps your bank register aligned with actual checks issued. For adjustments or specialized entries, use Journal Entry. Enter the date, select the accounts, and input matching debits and credits. Double-check that totals balance before you save and close, and consult an accountant if you're unsure. You can also add a product or service. Click Add Product/Service, name it clearly. Assign the income or expense accounts as needed, and save. Setting this up once speeds up future invoicing. Finally, explore other options like Estimate, Credit Note, Refund Receipt, Bill, Pay Bills, and Purchase Order. Each works the same way. Open the form, complete the details, then click Save and Close. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for